Once upon a time, in the world of fiery flavors and bountiful harvests, there was a humble gardener who longed to grow the most magnificent peppers known to humankind. Not just any peppers, but plants bursting with vibrancy, brimming with spicy goodness and producing an endless bounty. But alas, the gardener soon discovered that growing peppers wasn't as simple as tossing a few seeds into a pot and waiting for magic to happen. No, dear viewer, success in the art of pepper cultivation requires mastering 4 fundamental truths, plus 2 secret weapons for the most daring of growers. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to grow peppers in containers and get a huge harvest. Let's jump right in. Peppers are one of the most rewarding crops to grow, and the best part? You don't need a giant garden to achieve a massive harvest. Whether you have a sprawling backyard, a compact urban garden, or just a sunny balcony, you can cultivate lush, high-yielding pepper plants in containers with the right techniques. The key to success? Mastering 5 essential factors: light, container size, soil quality, nutrient availability, and temperature control. By optimizing these elements, even beginner gardeners can maximize their yields and enjoy an abundance of fresh, homegrown peppers, no matter how much space they have. Let's talk about the power of sunlight. Peppers thrive in full sun, needing 8 to 12 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more light they receive, the more they photosynthesize, which directly translates to increased growth and greater fruit production. Sunlight fuels the plant's ability to produce sugars and energy, which are crucial for flowering and fruiting. If growing peppers indoors, artificial lighting is a must. Strong LED grow lights, preferably full spectrum, provide the necessary light intensity for healthy growth. When using grow lights, they should be positioned 6 to 12 inches above the plants to maximize absorption. A timer set for 12 to 14 hours of light per day will mimic natural sunlight exposure. For those in particularly hot climates, some afternoon shade may be beneficial, as excessive heat combined with intense sun can cause sun scald. Brown or white patches on the fruit due to overexposure. A simple shade cloth can protect plants during peak summer temperatures without significantly reducing light levels. However, in most cases, more sunlight results in more vigorous growth, so gardeners should aim to maximize light exposure wherever possible. How do you choose the right container for growing peppers? Container size plays a crucial role in root development, overall plant health, and yield potential. Unlike some crops that prefer deep soil, peppers thrive in wide, shallow containers that give their fibrous root systems room to expand laterally. Ideally, container sizes should range from 15 to 100 gallons, with larger containers supporting bigger plants and heavier yields. Fabric pots, particularly root pruning varieties, offer superior aeration and prevent root circling, a common issue with plastic or ceramic containers. These pots allow oxygen to reach the roots, promoting healthy development and better nutrient uptake. Additionally, good drainage is critical. Excess water must escape freely to prevent root rot. Containers should always have multiple drainage holes to allow proper water flow, as waterlogged roots quickly lead to fungal infections and stunted growth. For those short on space, even a 5-gallon bucket can work for smaller pepper varieties, but growth may be restricted. Whenever possible, opting for a larger container will yield better results, as more soil volume allows for improved moisture retention and a more stable root environment. Great soil is like a 5-star buffet for your peppers. It needs to be rich, fluffy, and packed with nutrients to keep those plants happy and productive. Forget the lifeless, compacted dirt of traditional gardens. Container-grown peppers crave a light, well-aerated, and moisture-hugging mix. The ultimate VIP treatment: 100% living compost, teeming with tiny microbial workers that break down organic matter and serve up a steady stream of nutrients. Compost doesn't just feed the plants, it aerates the soil, keeps moisture levels just right, and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. If premium compost isn't within reach, mix in some coco coir. It boosts water retention while keeping roots breathing easy. Steer clear of peat-based soils which suffocate roots over time, and watch out for potting mixes overloaded with perlite or vermiculite. They dry out faster than a summer sidewalk. The secret sauce? A perfect blend of compost, aged manure, and organic matter A nutrient-packed paradise that'll have your peppers thriving, fruiting, and showing off their fiery colors all season long. Peppers are hungry little plants and they thrive when fed consistently. A solid fertilizer routine keeps them vigorous from sprout to harvest. The magic number? 3-1-2. This NPK ratio fuels lush leaves, strong roots, and bountiful peppers. But not all soils play by the same rules. Sometimes a more balanced mix like 1-1-1 or 10-10-10 does the trick. The secret lies in proper dosage. A higher concentration just means you'll need to dilute accordingly. Next, let's discuss temperature, which plays a crucial role in pepper success. Originating from warm regions, peppers are true sun worshippers. They thrive in warm temperatures, soaking up the heat like they're on a tropical vacation. The ideal range? 65 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. When temperatures drop below 60 degrees, peppers get sluggish and fruit production slows. But push past 95 degrees and they might start dropping flowers like hot potatoes, cutting into your harvest. To keep your peppers happy, gardeners in cooler climates can use black fabric pots, row covers, or small greenhouses to trap warmth, while those in hotter regions should provide afternoon shade and mulch to prevent overheating. Finding the right balance is the key to a thriving, high-yielding pepper plant. Mastering these 5 fundamentals, light, container size, soil quality, nutrient availability, and temperature control, ensures a bountiful pepper harvest, whether on a patio, balcony, or backyard. The beauty of container gardening is its flexibility. Even those with limited space can enjoy fresh, homegrown peppers by optimizing their growing conditions. Whether growing fiery habaneros, sweet bell peppers, or exotic varieties, applying these techniques will lead to impressive results. Why not start growing today? Choose the right setup, nurture your plants, and enjoy an abundance of fresh peppers. Which pepper variety are you most excited to grow this season? Let us know below. We'd love to hear about your favorites. For even more pepper growing tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Your next big harvest might be just one video away.